Then have a location can pop up anytime. And that's why I know say a girl lead over the guest house over South Camp Road.
That
So
no
you
that
must have connection. Then if
but that
me
no
and Pops, if me and Pops can the over the guest house, and this man just pull up, that means him know room number. He come like he know all the code for the door. Cause no knock the door, pull it. Cause you know them door that we have the code we use and pull.
that
Yeah.
means that Ashley gave it to him then.
Yeah. That means a connection strong.
So why Pops did still go there for? Pops not love him life?
Probably through him bridging.
Who are virgin? Jaden?
Him and Ashley.
Crown Boss, you and me know said that no safe.
You not safe. You not safe at all. You know, and that's why it coming like a, that's why here how me put it. And that's why Ashley send the location come give Pops. Because him know say Jaden does a pull up and she not like that. And it come like when him pull up, him can't tell Jaden no. Anything with Jaden say.
Hold on. So how she not like that and it is alleged that Jaden slept there until in the morning?
It come like he can't tell Jaden no. When he see him is a different thing from when he not see him. And so me see it. When he see him in front of his face, it's a different feelings from when him not see him. Come like she have a mixed feeling. You understand? And so me see it.
You know, I'm glad said this done and Pops gone because you know what me send Pops go over Ashley.
Pops the over here.
He did over here, but I mean, I orchestrate the whole thing. I tell him, say, go on over them, and when you go over them, me know, call me. And him call me, I'm say, all right, I'm go live now and broke the internet. But you see, them could agree. Them ever, like, one now listen to the next one, or, you know, me I say, like, island water type of energy. So me say, I hear me, you know, just whatever, because me.
Yes, people, Ashley and Jaden's story, nah, tapa so. I be a drama and that, but that. But watch out now. Just taking Tychicus, the pussy man. Yeah man. Them a man ya, make a laugh till a drop. People, just listen to the conversation with Tychicus and that woman.
There's a screenshot of me going around on the media about me, the way I deal with my cocky. It was me a queenie. And there's someone comment and said, it's menopause, why I'm going on this way. Lady, let me tell you, the way cocky is so sweet and I've been fucking from I'm 18 years old. And the way cocky let you feel so good in life. I forgot about menopause, lady. I'm not saying menopause is not there. But the way I angle cocky and I let cocky deal with my pussy the right way it should be dealt with. I do not remember nothing about menopause, lady. Now, lady, you see, I have never have a man walk out on me because I always make sure I dealt with the cocky in the right and proper way, lady. Lady, have you ever been to a stone, love, lady? And when you remember that the cocky that is home and the tune play, lady, and the song is so nice, it seems like the cocky is inside of you, whining in stone, love. Lady, please, I do not like no one disturb me and my cocky. Lady, you said, where is my grandchildren, them, lady? I did not get any grandchildren. But in case I did get grandchildren, miss, I would put them to bed and I would still go on to that cocky because cocky let you live long, miss. Miss, you do not know the value of khaki, and if some of you women did know the value of khaki, you would take better treatment, better care of it, lady. The way I love khaki and the way I deal with khaki in my little pokey. I wish when I'm dying, there's a khaki dye inside of me to carry with me, lady. I didn't bargain for this, lady. Please, lady. Stop watching my khaki, miss, and go and find a khaki and deal with it. Lady, have you ever put your 2 foot into a man's stomach and him bring back your knee cup for you to name it, miss? That is a good fuck. Lady, ever broke up on a khaki back wheel? And when you broke up on the khaki back wheel, you hear the khaki fall. And you have to change your position. Miss, let me live my life. Let me live my life in peace, miss, with my khaki. My khaki don't have a problem with me, so why are you bothering my khaki leg?
People, guess what happened? The Tychicus and Jerry link up, a beer drama. Take it in.
Yeah, we love is coming after full speed ahead. This man is a robber and this one has a thing. He goes from now and go. So my ear I'm up to say, they are doing artificial insemination. They shot the man. They hear to the man. They shot the man right for. When they did that one, two children and idea. So all the girls, man, they come on. War is business. Part is a business. So all the girls will fall in love and get some more man who shot them. So the artificial insemination is man and sperm.
Hold on! Hold on! First and foremost, there should be no shortage of men. Right? It is because of man going out of nature's order. Yes. Why men are short. Hold on. Knowledge becomes scarce. Right? So it gives way for artificial intelligence. And artificial intelligence bringing artificial insemination. Right? So they are trying to tell you that men is not good enough again. The vagina of the woman is no longer good enough. The activator of the penis is no longer good enough. Artificial intelligence.
My time now.
Yes.
That pussy lady girl back bright. Them love me good man.
Jerry, let me tell you something. I know all girl, you have to be specific. Like, you have girl who have pussy at daytime and cocky at nighttime, Jerry. They have cocky today and pussy tomorrow, Jerry. Jerry there. Cut for the children.
There you have it, my viewers and subscribers. And please remember to subscribe, like and share. And don't forget to press the notification bell for more upcoming videos. Big up on yourself. You don't know.